back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a delicious green juice recipe for digestive health. So the first ingredient that I'm going to juice is parsley. Parsley is known to expel worms, like if you have parasites. It relieves gas, it stimulates normal activity of the digestive system, and it freshens the breath. So that's why I love to add it to my green juices. The second ingredient is cilantro, and here are the nutrients. Now, cilantro is known to improve digestion. It relieves stomach aches. It helps in the prevention of UTIs, and it disinfects and detoxifies the body, flushes out heavy metals and toxins. So that's why it's a great ingredient to use. Next, I'm going to be using the DINO kale. Now, kale is like one of my favorite ingredients to juice. Kale is known to be high in antioxidants and vitamin K. Here are the nutrients, and that's why so many people like to add kale to their juices, because it's very inexpensive, and once again, it's high in vitamin K and antioxidants. Lately, I've been juicing a lot so I can get my nutrients in. I don't know if you ladies know this, but green juices are great for cleansing the body and rebuilding the body. So if you struggle with eating vegetables and fruits, just juice a lot so you can get your nutrients in. The next ingredient is green apples. Green apples are loaded with phytochemicals and they're high in antioxidants. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. Next up, we have cucumbers. So cucumbers are known to prevent constipation and help with hydration. Also, cucumbers are like 95% water. So if you are trying to get a lot of bang for your buck and get a lot of green juice, add a couple of cucumbers to your green juices. I promise it will help a lot. And then not only that, they're very inexpensive, so I like to always add it to my green juices. Next up, we have the key limes. So key limes are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Also, they're known to improve digestion and regulate bowel movement, so that's going to help big time. Next, we have lemons. Lemons promote digestion and cleanse the colon. Ginger helps to improve digestion and relieves gas. So all of these ingredients, ladies, are great for your digestive system. Try it. Try the recipe. I'm going to leave it down below, and I promise you, your body, not you, your body will be thanking you. I know it's helping me big time. This is what my body needed. So good.